Okay, so I got a linkage CBD attached to a cable AB. Pull on it with a force, and it causes that thing to rotate by 0.3 degrees. I want to find the strain in the cable. And again, strain is defined as the change in length over the original length, where the change in length is the final length minus the initial length all over the initial length. So what I need to do is I need to find out what the new length is. Now, initially, it's a 3, 4, 5 triangle, right? So at this point, this is 500 meters here, right? So that's the initial length of that cable. Okay, after this thing is strained, and I'm going to exaggerate this a little bit, I've got a triangle that looks like this, where the angle here is going to be 90.3 degrees. This is still going to be 400. This is still going to be 300. I got to find the length of that side over there. Okay, and I'm going to do that using the law of cosines, where I'm going to find the final is going to be the square root of 400 squared plus 300 squared minus 2 times 300 times 400 times the cosine of 90.3 degrees, because again, it's been strained up to 0.3 degrees. Okay, so from that I find that the final length is, instead of 500, it's actually stretched out to 501.255. Okay, so going back up to find my strain then becomes 501.255 minus 500, which is the initial length, divided by the initial length, which is 500, and I find the strain then to be 0.00251. Again, this is dimensionless because it's length over length, okay? And all I did here was find the new length, subtracted it from the original length, which gives me the change in length, the delta, to divide that by the original length to get the strain of that cable.